Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be talking about pH level. I know there have been a lot of videos online about different recipes and know how to make different things like soap cream, scrubs and the rest. But the funniest part is that nobody's talking about how to check your pH level and balance it, because that is very production that you're doing. Okay, so what is pH? First of all, pH simply means the power of hydrogen in your product. Okay, so we have some products that are acidic in nature, and we also have products that are alkaline in nature. So in between we also have 7, which is water. From 6 to 1 is acidic, while from 8 to 14 is alkaline. All right, so from 6 to 1, let's talk about the acidic side, which is from 6 to 1. From 6 to 1, 6 is the mildest acidic pH level. Okay, while 1 is the highest. Okay, it is very high. It's like battery acid level. So let's talk about black soap, the pH level of black soap. The pH level of black soap usually comes around 10 and 11. Okay, the highest is 11. Okay, that you find any black soap, and that is too high for the skin. Okay, it can easily burn the skin or dry the skin out. Okay, and we don't need that. We need our skin to be glowy and moisturized. Okay, so what do? We have to bring down the pH level of that black soap. All right, so for your black soap is 8. Okay, the pH should be 8. So after putting in everything you want to use in making your black soap more effective, you need to balance the black soap. Okay, you need to balance it to somewhat 8. All right, somewhere around 8. All right, 2 ways you can check the pH level of your soap. It's either using a pH meter, or you're using a pH strip. Okay, so if you can't get the pH meter, you can as well go for the pH strip. All right, I'll be putting the pictures just above so you can know the difference. This is the pH meter. Okay, and this is the pH strip. All right, so moving forward, let's talk about what you can use to balance the pH level of your soap. You can use bring down the pH level of your soap. What kind of acids do I mean? I mean citric acid. You can use citric acid. You can as well use lactic acid. Okay, and if you don't have lactic acid at home and you don't have citric acid at home, the best DIY, or the best way to go with natural products you can find in your kitchen is use milk. Okay, you can use milk because it is high in lactic acid. You can use milk. All right, so what kind of milk can you use? You can make do with powdered milk or liquid milk. The best way to go, or my advice would be to use goat milk. Okay, goat milk is very good for your product. Okay, to add to your product. All right, so that's that for today. Thank you so very much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Like and share this video. Invite your friends and family to be part of this wonderful channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so very much for watching.